ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन्
अयुण्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
जबै
जभेङ्
घटधश्
घढधष्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदष्
खपचठथ चटतौ
खफछठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपोपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपोपद्मनीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमाङणनानां नासिका च
ञमङणनां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
यदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओधौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
उदौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
प्रकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
सु औजस्
सु औजस्
और्षस्
औक्षस्
ताभ्यां विस्
ताभ्याम्भिस्
ज्ञेभ्यां व्यस्
ज्ञेभ्याम्भ्यस्
नसीभ्यां व्यस्
ङसीभ्याम्भ्यस्
नस् ओस् आम्
ङस् ओस् आम्
ङी ओसुप्
ङी ओसुप्
सु औजस्
सु औजस्
तिप्तस्झि
तिप्तस्झि
सिप्तस्थ
सिद्धस्थ
मिप्
मिप्वस्मस्
त आतां झ
ता आतां झ
थास् आथां ध्वम्
थास् आथां ध्वम्
इट् वहि महिङ्
इट् वहि महिङ्
ऊकालो झस्व दीर्घप्लुतः
ऊकालोज्झस्व दीर्घप्लुतः
अचश्च
रचश्च
उच्चैरुदात्तः
उच्चैरुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
समाहारस्वरितः
समाहारस्वरितः
मुखनासिकावचनोऽनुनासिकः
मुखनासिका वचनोऽनुनासिकः
तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्
तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्
ऋलवर्णयोर्मितः सावर्ण्यं वाच्यम्
रलवर्णयोर्मितः सावर्ण्यवाचम्
नाज्जलौ
नाझलौ
अनुदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
अणुदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
तपरस्तत्कालस्य
तपरस्तत्कालस्य
हलोऽनन्तरा संयोगः
फलोऽनन्तरा संयोगः
ह्रस्वं लघु
ह्रस्वं लघु
संयोगे गुरु
संयोगे गुरु
दीर्घं च
दीर्घं च
अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा
फलोऽन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा
विभक्तिश्च
विभक्तिश्च
अदर्शनं लोपः
दर्शनं लोपः
उपदेशे जनुनासिकयित्
उपदिशे जनुनास्कयित्
फलन्त्यं
फलन्त्यं
न विभक्तौ तु स्वाहा
न भक्तौ तु स्माहा
आदिर्ङिटुडवः
आदिर्निर्टुडवः
शः प्रत्ययस्य
क्षः प्रत्ययस्य
चुटु
चुटो
दशक्वतद्धिते
अशक्वत्तद्धिते
तस्य लोपः
तस्य लोपः
आदिरन्तेन सहेता
आदिरन्त्येन सहेता
षष्ठी योगा
षष्ठी स्थाने योगा
तस्मिनिति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य
तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य
तस्मादित्युत्तरस्य
तस्मादित्युत्तरस्य
स्थानेन्तरतमः.
स्थानेन्तरतमः.
Okay, I think up to that we saw. Last class 4 sutrams we saw. Shashti sthane yoga, that sutra presents that which is sthani, the placeholder, will be in Shashti Vibhakti. So if a Shashti Vibhakti is doesn't represent any sambandha, then it is to be considered as Sthana Shashti. So it will be Shashti Vibhakti, that is Shashti Vibhakti, that is Sthani. That's called placeholder, which will be replaced by Adesha. And the position of the Sthani, the location of the Sthani is indicated by this Paribhasha. Tasminiti Nirdishte Purvasya. The word is in Saptami Vibhakti, indicates the Sthani is located immediately before that. And the word in Panchami, the Sutra tells that Sthani is located immediately after that. Then, if there are more Adeshas for a single, Sthani is only one, many Adeshas possible. Therefore, the selection should be based on Antartamaga, the closest, the closeness, the closeness in terms of, as we saw, the place of pronunciation. That is the first closeness. So most of the thing it will fall in that category. That is that which is closer to the place of pronunciation, that will take precedence. Suppose if that is not, then only we have to go for the next other possibilities. So Sthanentaratamaha, the last sutra I think we saw. So we will see other sutras today. So here you can see the closeness is with respect to the place of pronunciation, Ucharana Sthanam. If Adesha could not be selected based on this, then we have to go for Artha, the meaning. If that is also, Artha is meaning, the meaning of the words of the Adesha. If that also doesn't work, then you have to go by Prayatanam, effort, Bhagya Prayatanam. If that also doesn't work, then you have to go for Pramanam, that is the Matra. So this is the order, but most of the thing will fall under this category. But there are some occasions this also will come. We don't have to worry about it now. Okay, this is Sthanentaratamaha. That is Sthane, in the place, the word which is ordained, that will be closer to Sthani in terms of the place of pronunciation, right? Up to this we saw. So 30 sutras we have seen. And we will see some Sandhi examples also, practice we will do today. And we'll see Sutrams also. Sutrams already we have seen. Formally we will do that Sutrams also. That is Urandraparaha. Urandraparaha, please do the Sandhi Vicheda. Uhu and Raparaha. Paraha means after. So Repa will be after. Repa will be appended to. That is the meaning Raparaha. To what? That is Uhu. Uhu is Shashti Bhakti. And An is the Adesha. So An means A, I, U. An is equal to A, I, U. Not up to Lan. That Lan, that An comes only in one sutra. That is Anudit Savarnasyacha. Apratyaha. Only in that sutra, we have to take the longer An. Whereas in all other places, An refers to A, I, U, the short An. Okay. So Uhu is Shakti Bhakti Adesha, An is the Adesha. So whenever An replaces Uhu, An meaning A, I, U, then Repa will be appended to the Adesha. If Akara is the Adesha, then it will be Ar. If Ikara is the Adesha, then it will be Ir. If Ukara is the Adesha, then it will be Ur. That is how in Gunasandhi we have Ar, Al, like that. Okay. Now what is Uhu? Uhu is Shashti Bhakti of Rikara. Rikara. So therefore, when Rikara is replaced by An, then Repa will be appended to the An. So where Rikara is the Adesha, and when it is replaced by A, I or U, then Repa will be appended. In Gunasandhi, that is what it happens. In Gunasandhi, A plus R. A plus R, both are replaced by corresponding Guna letter. Guna letter A, A, O. So A plus R. R is replaced by A. By this sutra, Repa is appended. Understand?
Yes.
So therefore, so you can note this. Uhu is Rikarasya Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Like Pitar Shabda, Pituhu. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Pituhu. Like that. Okay. So it's a Paribhasha Sutra. It's a Paribhasha Sutra Vedaha, Paribhasha Sanya. Paribhasha Sutra it is. Okay. Now you can see the Sutra Artha. Ru Varnasya. Ru means Rasva or Rukara. Long one, both. And because of Ru, we can bring Lu also. If it is a Lu, then it will be Al, Il, Ul, like that. Lakara will be appended to the un letter. If it is Rikara, then Repa will be. So Ruvarnasya Adesha Rupena Vidyamanat Admarnat. So Adesha Rupena Vidyamanat. That is un which is ordained in the form of Adesha to Rikara. Then after the un letter, Anvarnat, Anantaram, Nityam Repaha Vidiyate, always Repa is ordained. So immediately after un letter, which is ordained in the place of Rikara, there will be Repa. Therefore, Ar, Ir, Ur. Lu Varnasya Adesha Rupena, by Rikara, as well as Likara. Lu Varnasya Adesha Rupena Vidyamanat. That is, in the place of Likara, when there is an Adesha in the form of An, then after the Anvarnat Anantaram, after the An, what will happen? Nityam Repaha, Lakaraha Vidiyate, always there will be Lakara. You can say the English meaning. An letter, A, E, U. A stands for long one also. Similarly, E stands for long E. U stands for long Ukara. So when an letter ordained as an Adesha, substitute, in the place of Rikara, the Stani, then the an letter is always followed by the letter Repa. So therefore, R, etc. Similarly, an letter ordained as an Adesha in the place of Lukara is always followed by Akara. Now you can see the example. When R is ordained an Adesha Akara, then R will be the Adesha. That is what happens in Gunasandhi. Similarly, when Rikara is ordained an Adesha Ikara, then it will be the replacement in the place of Rikara. Similarly, if Ru is ordained an Adesha Ukara, then Ur will be the Adesha in the place of Rikara, like that. Okay. So that is what Uran Raparaha. It's a Paribhasha Sutra. You can note 1150, 51. Okay.
Yes. No. In the
Yeah.
Examples we have
Yes.
the. I will write in the chat.
Sorry.
In the text of examples that you sent to us, there is a case where we have Papa
plus Ruddhi, Papardi. Yeah.
But there is written with consonant and vowel. The two. Will it be only the repa? On the repa. But in the text we have the two, the repa and the
Akara. I'm not good. What is it?
Could you see in the chat?
Yeah, I can see chat box. You said Papa plus Ruddhi, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Papa plus Ruddhi. So I will take this here. I will write that example here. Papa plus Ruddhi. So what will happen? Papa plus Ruddhi. That is Pap plus Avarna followed by Rikara. Right?
Yes.
So A plus Avarna followed by equal letter. So Guna Sandhi will come. So Guna letters are A, A, O. So among the three, which one is the best? A is the best one. So A will come in the place of both. So Rikara is also going to be replaced by A, right?
Yes.
So therefore, what happens? A plus R will become A. A plus R is equal to A only. Because Rikara is replaced by A, therefore Repa is appended. Therefore R plus D. So now what will happen? Papar D. That's a form. Pap plus R, Papa, Papar, Papar D.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
But in your what you have said in chat box, Rikara is there, how Rikara is there?
Because this is the document that you sent to us, Sandhi docx, the name of the document that you sent.
Yeah. Oh, you're saying it is there. Okay, that is your question.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I was in doubt that if I was understanding wrongly the rule, but now I understand. It's okay.
Yeah. What you understood, what you said is correct only. But there is a, I tell you one more thing. Just a minute. That is, I'll show you the example directly. What is okay. There is a one more rule is that says there's one more rule. There, what will happen? There Prakriti Bhave Sati, Dirgaha will become A. Therefore, if it is Papardi, maybe this is a mistake. What you told is correct only. This is Papardi. Maybe the document I will check that. But something else also is there, but not here. I will tell you later. The context will come. The time I will tell you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, Papa is Papa plus Riddhi. Padanta Ak. So, Prakriti. Okay. Papa Riddhi. Okay. I have to tell you one rule. I think that I tell you later. Okay. So I don't want to tell and confuse you now. That Papa Riddhi is there. What you say now, that is correct only. Okay.
Okay.
Later I tell you. There's one sutra, Rityakaha. By that, what it says, if it is a Padanta Ak letter followed by Rikara, then what will happen? The Sandhi Karyam is optional. Sandhi Karyam is optional. So there it is possible. Like, I'll give one example. Here itself, I will write the example. You tell me, Sapta plus Rishihi. What will come?
First, Guna Sandhi,
Hmm.
then Uranura Paraha.
Yes. So what you say is,
Saptar Rishi.
so it becomes A plus
Saptapad.
R, right?
Yes.
A plus R and plus Shihi. A plus R is replaced by, that is R plus Shihi. Therefore, it becomes Saptar Shihi, right?
Yes.
But this is a Padam. Padante, if it is Akara, followed by R, then Sandhi happening is optional. This is also possible. That sutra, that rule I have not taught you. That's why I said we will see that little later. Maybe after some time we will see that. Not today, later we will see. So similarly, Papa plus Riddhi, if Papa is going to be the Padam followed by Riddhi, then this also possible. Papa Riddhi. Papa Riddhi. Possible. Okay, this we will see later. Don't worry about it now. Maybe I'll put it as star mark or some later we will see how it comes. Okay. That don't worry about it now. This you understand. This is fine. Papardi Saptarshi. Okay. How this comes? Because you asked me. That's why this is also correct only. That's why I put it like. But how it comes, we'll see later. I will introduce one sutra. That time I will explain how it comes. Okay. Right. It's a good question. What you asked, but this is how it comes. Similarly, here also I can give example. When Rikara is ordained in Adesha, that is, here also we can take like this. Rikara is given an ordained Anadesha. For this, we can take the example of like you can take the example of Ikara. Therefore, here we can take Mati. Mati plus Rishihi. Mati plus Rishihi. Mati E plus R. Okay, here also what happens? Mati plus Rishihi. Iko and Achi will come. And here, just thinking, Mati plus Rishi. Again, I have to teach you that rule. I think I will teach that rule later, little later. Okay. That doesn't happen. So Vikara is ordained and Ikara Adesha. So Ikara Adesha, what is the example? This example is not the right one. I'll tell you why it is. This example later I'll tell you. Mati plus Rishi, Mati Rishi. Here, when Ikara is ordained and Adesha. Okay, examples are not there. If example is there, I'll tell you. There are no examples for that. This example is okay. Because here the example, Avarna, Akara followed by Rikara. Similarly, Akara followed by Rikara. Okay, fine. These two examples are enough for this. So here, we can, like that, we can give many. If Akara, if Rikara is ordained in Adesha, Akara, then R will come. If Rikara is Adesha, Ikara, then Ir will be the Adesha. So like that we can give. But for that, examples are there not, we have to find. So don't worry. These examples are, whatever examples are given, the two examples, that is fine. Here one thing is, here Sandhi happening is optional because of some rule, some specific rule. Sandhi happening is optional. Even though Sandhi possibility is there, Sandhi happening is optional or Sandhi may not happen. That is called Prakriti Bhavaha. That is also a type of Sandhi. Prakriti Bhavaha. Prakriti Bhavaha means as it was before, it will be, no change will happen. Even though the Sandhi, the context is there, but still Sandhi will not happen. That is called Prakriti Bhavaha. If you know, if you see my notes, that Sandhi, what I sent you, the Sandhi file, there it is there. We will see that little later, but I will show you only this much now. What is Prakriti Bhavaha? You can see Prakriti Bhavaha. Prakriti Bhavaha is Swabhavena Avastitihi. Nimitte Satyapi Sandhikarya Abhavaha Prakriti Bhavaha. For example, you can see here. Kavi plus Etau. What Sandhi will happen? E plus A. N Sandhi, right?
Yes.
That will not happen. Kavi Etau only. E plus A, it will not happen. Why? That is Prakriti Bhavaha. That is what is, this is another type of Sandhi. So that we have to see. Under this only, what you asked now, Papa plus Riddhi, that explanation is there. That's why I said, I will tell you a little later that one. You can see Raja plus Rishihi, Raja Rishihi, you can see Raja Rishi, no Sandhi, A plus R. This one is a Sandhi, special rule, Rityakaha, that we will see later. So don't worry about it now. Otherwise, we'll go somewhere. Coming back to this, just to know, Uran Braparaha, where it says, whenever Rikara is replaced by Anadesha, Repa will be appended to it. For that, this example, you can take Papa plus Riddhi, Papa Di. Since you asked, I am highlighting this and I explain the Sandhi later. Another example is also Sapta plus Rishihi, Saptarshihi. This is Prakriti Bhava Sandhi that we will see later. Okay, fine. Urandra Praha is done. Then next one is Parasannikarchaha Samhita. This is a Sanya Sutram. Already we have seen. Now we are seeing the Sutra, Samhita. Paraha Sannikarchaha Samhita. All are Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Paraha Ekavachanam. Sannikarshaha means Sanidhyam, close proximity. Like Rama Shabda, Sannikarshaha, Sannikarsho can decline. Samhita, Strilinga, Akaranta Shabda. I mean, there is no linga here, Sutra. It's just like Rama Shabdavat. So Pratama Vibhakti Ekavach. This is a Sanya Sutra. So what does it say? Varnanam Atishaya Sanidhyam. That is close proximity. Sanidhyam is proximity. Atishayam is close proximity. Close proximity of the letters. They have the Sanya, Samhita. They have the name, Samhita. Parashabdaha Atishayavachi. Parashabda is, it's Atishayavachi means that it refers to the word which is very closer. Varnanam Paraha. It means Atishayitaha Sannikarshaha Sangita Sangitaha. The close proximity of the letters just gets a Sanya, Samhita. Because of proximity, some Karyam will happen. That is Samhita Karya, Sandhi Karya. Just close proximity itself is called Samhita. So Sannikarshaha is Samipyam. Samipyam is proximity. So you have to define that also, proximity. What do you mean by proximity? Ardhamatradika Kala Vyavadhana Abhavaha. Ardhamatra Adhika. Typo. That when you call close proximity, is there between the two letters, is when there is the gap. Vyavadhana means space. Vyavadhana means space, gap. And gap in terms of time, kala vyavadhana. And the time gap between the letters should not be more than half matra. Should not be more. It should be less than half matra. Then only we call it as close samipyam, close proximity. If it is more, then it is not samipyam, then it is not close proximity, then it is not samhita. So the time gap between the two words should be less than half matra. That is called samhita, and therefore sandhi karyam will happen. Ardha matra kala vyavadhanasya avarjiniyatvat tat etat avipraya aga atishayitaha. Should not be, the vyavadhana should not be more than half a matra. So ardha matra kala vyavadhanasya avarjiniyatvat tat etat avipretya aha atishayitaha. Atishayita means exceedingly close. When you call two words or two letters are exceedingly close, when the matra between, and the gap between them is less than half a matra. If it is half a matra or more than that, then it will not be called samhita. So the word paraha in the sutra has a sense of superlative degree. So closest proximity, that's what it means. Sannikarsa means proximity, closeness. The most proximal is samhita, the extreme proximity. The sannikarsa means, atishayita means extreme proximity of two letters. So sannikarsa means closeness. An absence of time delay exceeding half matra. Should not be more than half a matra. Ardha matra adhika kala vyavadhanasya abhavaha. In Sanskritam we saw before. The time gap between the two letters should not be more than half a matra. It means the minimum delay between the letters is half a matra. Okay, half a matra. And therefore, the atishaya, the word refers to that minimum delay. This is a translation of this. Ardha matra kala vyavadhanasya avarjaniyatva tad etat abhipretya aga atishayitaha. The minimum delay is the minimum delay between the letters is half a matra. So therefore, the maximum delay can be your wish. If it is minimum delay is half a matra. If it is more than half a matra, then it's not called samhita. Sandhi will not happen. Sandhi will not happen. So atishaya referring to that time gap. Time gap should be the letters should be half a matra. That is what it means. The word sandhi is used to mean a samhita situation. Sandhi, samhita means same. So this is a sutra by which the sanya is defined. Parasannikashaha samhita. And we know when the sandhi take place. This also we chant every class. Today we didn't do. Samhitaika pade nitya dhatu pasargayogo nitya samaseva ketu sa vivaksham apekshate. That is, sandhi is a must between the ekapade. Sanghita, here also sandhi is a samhitaika pade. What sandhi here? Can you spot the sandhi?
Riddhi.
Yeah.
No.
What are the letters?
Sanhita and Eka.
Ekapade, yes. Samhit ekapade, in one word. Samhita is, sandhi is, nitya is a must. And dhatu upasarga yoga, here also sandhi, dirgha sandhi, dhatu plus upasarga. So between the dhatu and upasarga, sandhi is a must. Within a padam, sandhi is a must. It means within a padam means between a pratipadikam and a suprataya, between a dhatu and ting prataya, sandhi is a must. And samase, it's a must. Nitya samase. Whereas in a sentence, between the words, sandhi is vivaksham apekshate. That depends on the speaker. I can give a pause. I need not. So that is my wish. Okay, that is what it is. Then the next sutra, Adeng Gunaha. Adeng Gunaha, the sutra defines the guna letters. This also we have seen already, just covering the sutra. Adeng Gunaha, you have to split At plus Eng, that is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Gunaha is a Sanya. Here, what is At? What is the purpose of what is the purpose of Takara?
It's to indicate that is only the short
Short that is why. And Eng transferred A O. So therefore, short vowel akara, then Ekara Okara, the three letters get the Sanya Gunaha, the Sanya Sutra. Ayevo etesham trayanam gunaha iti sanya bhavati. The three letters Ayevo are called by the Sanya Gunaha. This is 112. And next sutra 111, Vriddhi Radhij. Vriddhihi Adhij. At plus Aich. Aich means I and Au. At. At is
on the long
long akara, yeah, but it's not required anyway. You understand like that, it's not a problem. It doesn't hurt us now, so it's okay. So akara, aikara, and aukara. That is the idea. Okay, that is adij. Okay, then I, au, etesham, trayanam, vriddhi sanya, iti, vriddhi iti sanya bhavati. The three letters are called by the vriddhi. Here, this the takara, they give some other reason, but I don't want to tell the reason now. It is it's all when we see advanced, at that time it will be useful. But now the basic level. So I don't want to tell and confuse you. But what you said, it is fine. Takara is, you can say that like that. It's not a problem. It doesn't hurt us. That's why I left it as it is. It's okay. Okay. Yes, that's not a problem. Okay. Yes. Then yes, then next one. Samhitaya. This is an important sutra, Adhikara Sutra. Samhitaya. Samhitaya is Saptami Vibhakti. So this is Saptami. This Saptami is not Parasaptami. This is called Vishaya Saptami. You can note this Saptami is Vishaya Saptami. Maybe I can write here. This is Vishaya Saptami. Saptami, we have different types of Saptami, but this Saptami is Vishaya Saptami. We translate this as in the context of, in the meaning of, in the sense of. It's Vishaya Saptami. So that you can note. So Samhitaya. Don't think it as Parasaptami. Parasaptami for locating the Sthani. So it is an Adhikara Sutram which tells Itaha Arabhya. Itaha Arabhya means starting from this sutra. Paraskara Prabhuti Nicha Sanyayam. That is a sutram. Paraskara Prabhuti Nicha Sanyayam 61157. Up to that sutra, the Samhitayam, the word spreads. The words, the word Samhitayam has got scope. Therefore, Adhikara Sutra. Itaha Arabhya means starting from this sutra up to 61157. The sutra is Paraskara Praviti Nicha Sanyayam. That is sutra. Don't worry what it is. It's not required. Just a note. Up to this sutra, iti yavat yatikimapi uchate tat samhitayaha vishaye bhavati. Up to this sutra, whatever it is, the vidhis are told, that vidhi will happen in the context of sandhi. That is the meaning. So starting from here, This adhikara runs up to 157. 157th sutra is, this is the sutra, Paraskara Prabhuti Sangyayam. So beginning here, Itaha Arabhya, that's the translation here, up to 157, whatever is said, that will applicable to Sandhi situation. So Sandhi Karya. Therefore, for Sandhi, you have to refer this Adhikara 6172. Important. You have to note the number.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
In this case, adhikara is the same of an anuvrit.
Yes, yes. Adhikara coming as anuvritti. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. The topic discussed in this in the scope, that is up to 157. The scope the scope of the adhikara is up to 157, and the topic discussed is discusses Samgitayam, and whatever the rules are given, that will happen in the context of Sandhi. That is the meaning. Samgitayam Vishaye Bhavati Ityartha. Adhikara also comes down as anuvritti for each sutra. Okay. Sometimes a word in a sutra also can be an adhikara, possible. Or a sutra itself can be an adhikara, possible. Right? Okay. So this is Adhikara Sutra. Another Adhikara Sutra also is there in this section, but I have not, I'm not writing that. That is, Ekaha Purva Parayogo. That I am not writing it. If you want, we can write it later. There's nothing there to talk about. Because Ekaha Purva Parayogo means what? In the place of preceding and succeeding, one will come. So that is also Adhikara Sutra. That Adhikara Sutra itself doesn't have any meaning. Itself doesn't have any meaning. Only when it is brought down as anuvritti to the other sutras, it has meaning. Okay. Fine. Samhitayam itself doesn't say anything. In the context of Sandhi, what? Doesn't have any meaning. So when that is brought down as anuvritti for this sutra, now for example, 677, then it is meaningful. Samhitayam Vishaye, Ikahastane, Achipare, Yan Adeshaha Bhavati. So here the anuvritti is Samhitayam. You see, I'm writing as anuvritti. Adhikara coming as anuvritti. So Adhikara also anuvritti, coming as anuvritti. So you have to bring all the words. What are the anuvrittis? The words which are coming down as anuvritti or adhikara, everything you have to write. Then you have to write the complete sutra. After bringing all the words anuvritti, then fixing the vibhaktis, then you can write the sutra with the words of the sutra and the anuvritti of the sutra. So now 4 words are there. Ikaha, Yan, Achi, the 3 words in the sutra, where Ikaha is Shashti Vibhakti, that is Stani, Yan is the Adesha, and Achi is the Parasaptami, when Ach follows. Samhitayam is another word. So 4 words are there. So Samhitayam, Ikaha, Yan, Achi. This is what the sutram is. All other words we have to supply. We want to write in the form of a sentence. Samhitayam Vishaye. You can write Vishaye. Ikaha is Stani. So Ikaha Stane. Yan Adesha Bhavati. When Achi Pare. So that's how you expand that. Right? So this is Vidi Sutra. Samhitayam Ikaha Stane Achi Pare Yan Adesha Bhavati. Right? So Yan will be the Adesha in the place of Ik. Now here, Ik means we know. E, U, R, L, understood. Right?
Yes.
But simply if you say E means, it will bring E also. O is U also. R is R also. We know. Or if I say, here, suppose, okay, you see now, E and E. E and E together can be called, together it is, that's what E. This E is within bracket. We know by E, the long E comes. Actually, it is E, O, R, and L, right? These are the letters in the Pratyahara. Because we know E stands for long vowels. Anudit savarnasya cha apratyaya. By that sutra, we can bring the savarna letters. Therefore, E and all I wrote. Now, you can see 4 adeshas and 4 sthani. Right? Equal number of sthani, equal number of adesh. So now what you can do, when E is there, which one you will select among the 4? When E is to be replaced by the N adesha, which one you will select?
The closest in pronunciation.
Yeah, closest in pronunciation you can select. That is actually, I taught you for your understanding in the beginning. That is fine, nothing wrong in that. But here in this case, generally, you know what they apply? 4 adesha, 4 sthani. So the first one will be replaced by first adesha. Second one will be replaced by second adesha. And the third one will be replaced by third adesha. Fourth one will be by the fourth adesha. So 4 chairs, 4 people have come. Give one, each one. That is in the order. For that we have sutra. There is a sutra. We'll see that later. That is one way. That is one way of ordering adesha. Another one, as you said, uchcharana sthanam. E is talu, yakara is talu. Therefore, you can pick up this one. That is also okay, no problem. Nothing wrong in that. Okay. But generally, you will see if the number of adesha, number of sthanis are same, the 2 groups are there. This is one group, ik group. This is n group. One group is sthani, other group is n. Then the replacement will happen accordingly in enumeration. It's a rule. We will see that also. It is there. It's going to come below. We will see today. Okay, now Dadi plus Atra, already we have seen the example. That is equilater followed by, immediately followed by, no vyavadana. Sandhi happens only when the matra is less than half a matra. So less than half a matra, therefore Sandhi, this is a padam, Dadi is a padam, Atra is another padam. So between 2 padam, Sandhi happens. So Ikara is replaced by Yakara. That is Ivarna, in the place of Ivarna, Yakara is pronounced. Sthani prasanga. We say Uchcharana prasanga. In the place of Uchcharanam of Ikara, Yakara is pronounced. Yakara comes as Adesha, Yakara is pronounced. So therefore, Dadyatra iti Sandhi. So Sthani is Ikara, Adesha is corresponding letter, Yakara. So Dadyatra. Similarly, Madhu plus Atra, Madhvatra. Kartru plus Artham. Rikara is replaced by corresponding letter, third letter, which is Repa. So therefore, Kartratam. Okay. So all these things, we know, Sandhi, we have seen Iko and Achi. So you can understand. Now, next sutra, Yatha Sankyam Anudesha Samanam. This is what I told. That is, if the number of Adeshas in a group, a number of Sthani in a group, if 2 groups have equal number of constituents, then the adesha will take place accordingly. Kramena bhavati. Now you see, Yatha Sankyam, Sankhya means number. Anudeshaha Samanam. It's a Paribhasha Sutra. You see here. Yatra Dvayogo Ganayogo, 2 groups. Where 2 groups? Madhye Kasyachana Sambandhasya Vidhanam Kriyate. When there is a relation between the 2 groups, in our example, one is Adesha group, other one is Sthani group. If we take Iko and Achi, Ik is one group, Yan is another group. And Sambandha is there between them. What Sambandha? Sthani, Adesha Sambandha is there. Sthani is going to be replaced by Adesha, right? Tatra, there what happens is, Tayogo Sankhya Samana Asti Chet. When the number in the group are equal, in the Ik there are 4 letters, in the Yan there are 4 letters. When the numbers are equal, then what happens? Tatra Saga Samandha Tayogo Sadasyeshu Yatha Sankyam Vidiyate. Then the Samandha, the connection will be Yatha Sankyam, in keeping with the the order of enumeration. That is, you can see here. Example, I will tell you, then you can see the English translation. Echaha ayava yavaha. Yes, Tani is H. 4 letters are there. A, this is one group, right? A, O, I, O. And Adesha is I, O, I, O. So, 2 groups are there, and Sambandha between them is Tani Adesha connection. That Sambandha means Tani is going to be replaced by Adesha. Then, if A is there, then it will be replaced by I. O is there, then it will be replaced by O. I will be replaced by I. O will be replaced by O. Here you cannot tell A to be replaced by any one of the 4. You cannot select by Uchcharanasthanam. Can you select by Uchcharanasthanam? No. Because A is Kantatalu. Then I is Kanta, Yakara is Talu. You cannot do like this. Difficult. Here also is there, I is there. You can see, if you say Kanta, this is Kanta, this is Talu. This is Kantatalu. And what about here? Here also I is there. It's a problem. So therefore, this paribhasha is very helpful. This paribhasha says, when a rule involves a case of equal number of substitutes, that is, equal numbers of adesha and of things for which they are substituted, that is Tani, then their mutual correspondence or assignment is each to each is according to the order of enumeration. That is, the first one will replace the first one. That is the order of enumeration. Second one replace the second one. Third one will replace the third one. Fourth one will replace the fourth one. Same thing with eco-energy also. But eco-energy, one advantage is, here we can easily find out the Uchcharana Sthanam. E is to be replaced by N letter. So N, Ya, Va, Ra, La. So Ra, La, it's totally different. Ra, Ra, La. Yakara is only Talu, therefore Talu also. Talu replaces Talu, we can say. But here also, if you see that this paribhasha is applied, because 4 adesha, 4 sthani, the first adesha will replace the first sthani, second adesha will replace the second sthani, ukara, like that we can take. This paribhasha also can be applied. Either you can go by Uchcharana Sthanam or you go by this paribhasha sutra, because here also number of sthani and number of adeshas are same. So when there is a situation where the number of sthani and number of adeshas are same, then you can go by the order of enumeration. Understand? In whichever order it is mentioned, the adesha, in that order you can go. In that order, the sthani also can be replaced. That is what this paribhasha does. Yatha sankyam anudesha samanam. Right?
Yes.
Very good. So eco-energy, we have 2 possibilities. Anyway you do, it's going to be same. Whereas Echo Ayavayavaha, there you cannot apply Uchcharana Sthanam. You have to apply this only, Yatha Sankyam Anudesha Samana, which says when the number of sthani and number of adeshas are same, then the adesha replacement will happen in keeping with the order of enumeration. That is what the sutra says, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Next sutra is Echo Yava Yavaha. This also we have seen 6178. Echaha is Sthani. Sthani will be in Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Sthane Yoga by that sutra. Ayava Yavaha is the Adesha. Now Echa has got 4 letters, A, O, I, O, and Ayava also has got 4. So Yatha Sankyam Manudesha Samana will happen. That you can remember. Then this has got Anuvritti, Sangitayam Achi. So 4 letters are there. 4 words are there. Sangitayam, Echaha, Ayavayavaha, Achi. Then we can easily write Vritti. I taught you how to write Vritti. Sangitayam Vishaye, Echarastane, Achipare, Ayavayavaha, Adeshaha Bhavanti. Right? Example, Che plus Anam. Here, because when a vowel follows, the vowels A, I, O are substituted by I, O, and Av respectively. Example, Che plus Anam. Here you can note, Che is not a Padam. That A is not located at the end of the Padam. Therefore, you can apply ayadi sandhi. Suppose if it is at the end of the padam followed by a, what will happen? I taught you another rule. Suppose if a is located at the end of the padam, followed by a padam beginning with a short akara, then purva rupa sandhi.
Yes.
Purva will adesha will come, right? Remember, we have seen. Example in sandhi, you see the examples. It's called purva rupa sandhi. You see a sandhi, purva rupa sandhi. Enga padantadati, it's called purva rupa sandhi. Te plus atra, a plus a. Do we do ayadi sandhi? No. A is at the end of the padam because te is a padam. Sagataute, asate, taha, followed by a padam. Therefore, purva will replace both. Apavada to ayadi sandhi. Please note, right?
Yes.
Therefore, when you apply ayadi sandhi, you have to remember the apavada. Only when apavada is not applicable, this should be applied. Apavada always takes precedence. Here, A is not the padam, Che is not the padam. Therefore, ayadi sandhi you can apply A plus A is replaced by I. Therefore, finally, chayanam you get. Right? Very good. So now, if you see the sutra, starting from Shashti Sthana Yoga up to Echo Yava Yavaha, we have seen. Now, in the list of sutras, other sutras are there. Already we have seen. You can see Akasavane Dirgaha, Adgunaha, Vridzirekshi, Atogune, Enga Padantadati, Engi Pararupam, Lopa Shakalyasya. These sutras we will see in the next class. I taught you Sandhi. Already you may know, you know, but I taught with the sutram only. Now we are going to just see the sutrams the next class formally. So therefore this will be completed up to Lopa Shakalyasya. So my plan is I am going to stop the Aksandi here. Other Aksandis are, I will teach you with this file, but I will not cover it here because these are all this advanced, what do you call, Aksandis. In the list, if you see here, there are many Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhis are there. I will teach you this just for your knowledge. These are occasionally only it's required, not regularly applied. So that is why I'm not going to cover it, put it in the list. This chart itself is enough. If you remember last class, I taught you this, this artist I taught you, maybe artist I taught you. Then upasargat, this one, avarnanta upasargat, rikaradi dhatu, I taught you. Then this also, va supi namadhatu, remember? This also I taught. But all these are rarely, rarely means when the occasion comes, you have to apply it. Therefore, for that, this document is enough. So I'm not going to do it in the cover in the sutra. That we can, if required later, we will do. The sutra will be simple, the basic fundamental sutras will cover. So up to 45 will be Swara Sandhi. After that, we are going to see Vyanjana Sandhi. Up to 45 already we have seen. So next class, what we'll do is we will see the sutras. Okay. Since we have the background of Sandhi, the first understanding the sutra will not be difficult. And we have to do Sandhi practice also. If you have time, please do it. And the class we also will do it. Because the Sandhi, the 6 or 7, 8 Sandhis are very important. You should know when to apply, which is Apavada to which, what, that knowledge is important. Okay. So next class, we will complete the Swara Sandhi. And I want to do all these example. I want the class. So then only I also will get satisfaction. So once it is covered and once you thoroughly understand this, the example, and once you answer this, once you resolve all the sandhis, then we can confidently move on to Vyanjana Sandhi. The Swara Sandhi should be thorough. Okay, should not come back and again see the sandhis. Once it is done, it is done. We have to move forward. So before moving to Vyanjana Sandhi, I want to do this, the class. We'll see. join the Sandhi as well as Sandhi Vichedam, both. Today, there's no time. I just kept it open. I thought we will do it, but time not there. So we'll stop here. So next class we will see. Next class, Sandhi I will cover. If time permits, we will do this. Right. After that, we'll go to the topic, next topic. Move on to the next topic, that is Vyanjana Sandhi. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask.
No doubts.
Yes. Did you try this exercises?
Yes, I'm trying them.
Yeah.
I started to
Here,
do that.
there are many examples before. That is for the specific sandhis that I'm not going to do, because that you can do it. Whereas here, the exercises, all the sandhis are mixed up. So you have to find which sandhi is applicable. So here, be little challenging. And more challenging would be the split up. Splitting the sandhi is more challenging. Further, you should have some vocabulary also, but it doesn't matter. You have highlighted by yellow color, therefore you can easily do it. So this will be a little more challenging. Anyway, we'll do it. We'll do it in the class. Okay. Yeah. After that, we will see Vyanjana Sandhi. Vyanjana Sandhi means consonant Sandhi. Sandhi, that because of the close proximity, what will happen when two consonants come together? That is what we are going to see. Okay, so we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavada.
Thank you. Bye.
Dhanyavada. And shall we meet on Wednesday? Sorry, Saturday?
Yes.
Okay. 3:30. Same time.
Yes.
Okay. See you. Bye.
See you. Bye.